smokes and road beers. Be quick.
I'm on it.
What the fuck are you supposed to be, man?
I'm your passenger. Drive.
All this happy horse shit.
What's the matter with you? Stupid ass hair? You hit my car!
What do you want, man? Money? Drugs? I got it. I can use you. You did Tintin. This is business, right?
Faster.
Got that cream stuff? I hate this. I can't even call it cream legally.
What in the crap?
Oh, look. Making us popular. When they flash us like that, they ain't friends.
This is yeah, we got us the old red hot rod.
You got something personal, amigo? We can work it out, right? Huh?
Goddamn farm cars! Oh, I hate this. This ain't good. Get out! I got you, man!
I remember everything, but I don't know. What? Huh? What? What are you talking about? No. You mean that place downtown?
Yeah, I remember her. We needed to put some fear into that little lady. She wasn't going along with our tenant relocation program. Her idiot boyfriend shows up and turns a simple sweep and clear into a total clusterfuck. Who gives a shit? It's ancient history. What? What do you want? What is it? What? Speak to me. Speak!
Did you send us these complaints?
Come here.
Abashed, the devil stood. Does it get you sweating?
I know you. I know you. I knew you. I knew you. But you ain't you. You can't be you. We put you through the window. There ain't no coming back. This is the really real world. There ain't no coming back. We killed your dad. There ain't no coming back. There ain't no coming back. There ain't no coming back. Abashed, the devil stood and felt how awful goodness is. And felt how awful goodness